This is the setup for oil, to test the breakdown strength of oil material. The same setup as a spherical gap unit is here, but here the semi-spheres are to be used. These both semi-spheres are inside this box, which is to be called as the test cell. Test cell is filled with the oil. Both electrodes are placed in the oil such that the both electrodes are immersed in the oil. You have to set the distance here also between the two electrodes. Here is the provision is there given at this point to adjust the distance between two electrodes. You can check the distance by using this gauge. You can also check the distance or measure the distance by vernier caliper, but instead of that one, this gauge is easy way to measure the distance between these electrodes, because these electrodes are now immersed in the oil. So that's why this gauge is we use to make the distance as a 4 mm or the 2.5 mm. This side is of 4 mm, this side is of 2.5 mm. So by using this gauge, we can check the distance between these two electrodes. Now once the setup is ready, you have to observe carefully that no bubbles, no air dust particles should be present in the oil, and then you can make this test cell close. This is same as air. You have to make the one connections to the transformer terminal and one connection to the earth terminal. So this will be the complete setup for the any type of liquid material, to test the any type of liquid material. So this will be the complete setup, and the remaining procedure will be performed on the same panel by using the same formula. The breakdown voltage upon the distance between these two spheres, you can find out the breakdown strength for liquid material.